The Nike Dunk Dia de Muerto, a celebration of culture and tradition. The Nike Dunk Dia de Muertos collection is a vibrant tribute to the Mexican holiday Dia de los Muertos, or the Day of the Dead, which honors the memories of deceased loved ones. This annual celebration, held on November 1st and 2nd, is marked by colorful altars, marigold flowers, and offerings that welcome the spirits of the departed back to the world of the living. The Nike Dunk Dia de Muertos sneakers are rich in cultural symbolism. The design incorporates elements that are central to the holiday's tradition. For instance, the split design of the Dunk High represent the salt and water, which are common items placed on the altars or ofrendas to honor the deceased. Salt is believed to prevent the body from losing its essence, while water quenches the soul's thirst as it travels to the ofrenda. The sneakers feature vibrant bursts of yellow and orange, colors that boost the energy and reflect the festive nature of the holiday. The richly textured suede and intricate embroidery elevate the look and feel, making these sneakers not just a fashion statement but a cultural artifact. Nike Dia de Muerto collection goes beyond more aesthetics. It serves as a bridge between cultures, bringing the rich tradition of Mexican heritage to the global audience. At the heart of Dia de Muertos celebration is the concept of family and community. Nike's collection emphasizes this by incorporating elements that symbolize eternal connections and the importance of remembering loved ones. The sneakers are not just a fashion item, but a reminder of the values and traditions that bind families and communities together. All in all, the Nike Dunk Dia de Muerto collection is a beautiful fusion of fashion and tradition. It honors the rich cultural heritage of Dia de Muerto while bringing its vibrant spirit to the global stage. Through thoughtful design and cultural symbolism, Nike has created a collection that resonates with both sneaker enthusiasts and those who cherish the tradition of this meaningful Mexican holiday.